Okay, now as you can see, if you might be a subscriber, as you can see, you subscribed. Please watch this video. I want to subscribe and comment down below so I really do know who actually subscribed. So first of all, I'm pretty much kind of getting up top. But anyways, so I looked on YouTube, on other stuff on YouTube, which is pretty kind of cool. And some cost 99 cents and some cost $48. And guess what? If you can't, it is the fidget spinner. Now it's like my pencil playing in class. Nice, more polished way. It's like thing they spin between your fingers. Now the cool thing about it is that you don't need any platform. You could use a platform, but you don't need one. Your hands are your platforms. And anyways, I was gonna get one. I was gonna get one a few days ago and making a video about it. Now I'm ordering it today, and cool thing about it is almost everything. Well, never mind. So I'm ordering it today, and I might get it next, like after the spring break, because this is made on the spring break. So I might get it after the spring break, and I'm gonna show you guys, or guy. Anyways, I got my first subscriber, and this channel's off to a good start. Anyways, so it's really a big hit. I mean, like, some went for $1 to about almost $100. That's crazy. Yeah. Now you might see me about next week. Might do it a day. I always take videos on a night. Well, because it's Friday, I might do it on a day. I mean, what the heck? On a spinning chair, just if you're wondering. And if you don't know, my name is Oscar. Oscar, O-S-C-A-R, Oscar. O-S-C-A-R. So, call me by that name, not OEC Productions. And I'll see you maybe next week. Bye.